is a photography print capturing a Taiko Odori performer seated gracefully on stage, wearing a richly patterned kimono accented with butterflies and floral motifs. The dancer holds a traditional folding fan delicately between her lips, creating an expressive and symbolic gesture under the warm glow of stage lighting. The deep purple background heightens the contrast of colors, making this print ideal for cultural appreciation and elegant interior decor. I created this image during a Taiko Odori performance where every movement was carefully measured and deeply expressive. The lighting bathed the performer in shifting hues of red, gold, and blue, highlighting the details of her kimono and the intensity of her expression. I framed the moment to capture not just the costume, but the quiet power and grace she carried through her pose. Displayed in a home or office, it offers a window into tradition, movement, and artistry. Beyond its subject, this print represents both elegance and discipline, bringing an atmosphere of cultural beauty and contemplative strength to any space.